This video will show how to activate a route in the application SARA. From the main navigation page, select the button which gives you access to your list of routes. Choose the route you wish to activate and press OK. In order to choose a route from the list, VoiceOver users should slide their finger from top to bottom or from bottom to top, and once on the right route, slide from right to left to reach the Cancel button, and one more time to reach the OK button. Demonstration with VoiceOver.
SARA, course, 00 degrees, button. Speed, 0.0 knots, button. GPS accuracy, 65 meters, button. Route list, no course selected, button. Text field. Double tap to edit. Route list, no course select, quadrant 17. Picker item, adjustable. Route 1. Cancel, button. Done, button. Done. Route list, route 1, button. Text field.
Once a route is activated, the presentation of the navigation page changes, providing more information spread on 3 pages. The first page gives indications concerning the mark you are aiming for: bearing, distance, and CMG. The second page relates to the next mark. The third page shows statistical information as when no route is activated. The player buttons are now usable. The play button launches the start of the route as it triggers the timer of the starting procedure.
Time 4 minutes. Below 0 meters. Committee 51.3 meters.
The forward button gives access to the next mark manually. You may also activate a route through the Manage Route menu by ticking the route you choose to activate, or directly in the page Modify the route, where you select the button Activate the route. You may then deactivate the route in the drop-down menu of the main navigation page if you press on Deactivate the route. Once the starting procedure is launched, SARA automatically activates the next mark when the sailor crosses the current mark and announces information regarding this new mark. In the next video, we will see how to share a route.